Hi everyone, and welcome back to Three Inquisitive Kids. On this channel, our purpose is to advance your levels in mathematics as well as to develop a new curiosity for discovering more. In this lesson, we will be learning all about how to analyze the central tendency from statistical charts. Chapter 6. Learn how to identify certain values from a data set by looking at different charts. As you can see, this is the third lesson of our 8th grade math Unit 6 course. So here, as you can see before, we've learned all about means and medians and modes, which are the three different ways we can calculate averages in a data set. And today we'll be using the knowledge we learned from the past two lessons to find the central tendency. Learning goals. Able to obtain information from statistical graphs and find the mean, median, and mode of data sets. Understand and analyze the central tendency reflected in the mean, median, and mode. What are the statistical graphs we have studied before and what are their respective characteristics? Before, so meaning in the 7th grade course, Unit 6, where we also talked about statistics and probability. If you want to review that or you haven't seen that yet, I will be putting the link in the description down below, so you can go down there and check that out and then come back. So we learned about bar graphs, line graphs, and pie charts. So bar graphs reflect the specific amount of each data value. Line charts reflect the changing trend of the values, and the pie charts indicate the percentage of each part relative to the whole. Analyzing the central tendency from line charts. Question 1. In order to check whether the quality of the bread is up to standard, 10 breads of the same specification are randomly selected, and the quality of these 10 breads is shown in a chart. As you can see, we have a chart. This y-axis shows its quality in grams, and this x-axis shows which loaf it is. So this is loaf 1, loaf 2, loaf 3, all the way to loaf 10. We have two questions. What is the mode of these 10 bread qualities, and what is the median? So the mode in line charts would be the horizontal line here, or the y value that has the most dots on it. So in this case, this would be 100 because it has 3 dots on that has this y value. And the median is also 100 grams because it's looking at the highest value to the lowest value and that middle number in between. Estimate the mean quality of these 10 loaves and then do the math to check your estimate. So that would be 99.8 grams if you add all of these up and divide it by 10. So, when describing the central tendency of data with the help of statistical graphs, it is necessary to develop a good habit of first intuitively estimating, so just with your mind, and then performing accurate calculations for verification. Critical thinking number 1. In a line chart, you can find the mode, which is the data with the most occurrences on the same y value, the median. On the line chart, the data corresponding to the middle point from the top to bottom or from the bottom to top, and the mean. So this can be estimated from the mode and median and then checked using the algorithm we learned for calculating means. Practice. In a shooting competition, the results of Team A are shown on the right. So we have another line chart here. So this is the score. So this is where that arrow landed on the target, so that ring. And this is not the number of times. This is, so this would represent the first time, the second time, the third time, so on. So the 10 shooting scores of Team A. The mode of these scores is ring 9 because most dots appeared on 9. And the median is also ring 9 because that's the middle number from top to bottom. First, estimate the mean of these 10 shooting results and then calculate to check. Again, all you have to do is add all of these values up and then divide it by 10. So that would be ring 9 as well. Analyze the central tendency from bar graphs. Question 2. 3 volleyball teams A, B, and C each have 12 players. The ages of 3 teams are as follows. So we have 3 charts here, bar graphs, and the y-axis shows the number of people, and the x-axis shows that the ages of the team members. So this is A, B, and C. The mode of the ages of team A is, so in bar graphs, the mode is the data value with the highest column. So in here, it would be 20 years old. And the median is also 20 years old because you're counting that middle number from left to right. The mode of the ages of team B is, again, the highest column, which is 19, and the median is 19 years old. The mode of the ages of team C is 21 years old, and the median is 21 years old as well. So you're still looking for the mode, that highest column, and the median is that middle number. According to the charts, can you roughly estimate the mean age of the players on the 3 teams? Which team is the oldest and which one is the youngest, and how did you estimate? Team C has the oldest mean age, followed by Team A, and then Team B is the youngest. Calculate the mean age of the players on the 3 teams, and then see if your estimate above is accurate. So then, after calculating, the mean ages are respectively 20, 19.3, and 20.6 years. So critical thinking number 2. How do you find the mode, median, and mean of a set of data in a bar chart? Well, the mode is the data corresponding to the bar with the highest column. The median is the middle number from left to right. And the mean can be estimated using the mode and the median. Now let's look at how we would find the average of a data set from pie charts. Question 3. Kaylee investigated the spending of 20 students in the class who plan to purchase extracurricular books this semester, and drew the result into the following pie chart. So as we can see here, there are 5 different sectors, and this purple sector, for example, holds up 5% of the entire 20 students in the class. This holds up 20%, 40%, 25%, and 10%. So among these 20 students, what is the mode and median of the planned purchase of extracurricular books this semester? The mode would be this 40% right here, which corresponds to $50. And the median is also $50 because if you order them from cheapest to most expensive, $50 is that middle value. So the median would be $50 as well. Now you have to first estimate the mean cost and then calculate. The mean cost would be shown here. So there is, say, $100 because that's corresponding to this blue part, which is 20 times 10%. So basically you're adding all of these values together and then dividing by 20, because here there are 20 students in the class. And then your final answer would be $57. So in the above question, if you did not know the total number of the people surveyed, would you have still have found the mean? And actually, yes, you can, because the pie charts, what's interesting about the pie chart is that it shows you the ratios and the percentages and the fractions and the relationships between parts to wholes of this data set. So this is very important. If you don't know that exact number of how many people were surveyed, you still know their relationship, so you can still find the mean. The mode in a pie chart is the data corresponding to the sector with the largest area. The median is the sectors in the pie chart are arranged, so are first arranged in order of size, and then the average of the data values of 50% and 51% would be the median. And the mean can be calculated using the weighted average. Now I want you to get to some practice. Condon continuously counted the highest temperature of each day for 10 days, and then drew a pie chart based off of that data. 1. What is the mode of highest temperature during these 10 days? and calculate the mean daily maximum temperature for these 10 days. So the mode is the sector with the largest area, which would be 35 degrees Celsius right here. And the mean would be you add all of these up and then divide it by the total 10 days, which you would get 34.3 degrees Celsius. So here are conclusion. In line charts, the mode is the data with the most occurrences on the same horizontal line. The median is the number corresponding to the middle point from the top to bottom, and the mean can be estimated using the median in the mode. In bar charts, the mode is the highest column of data. The median is the middle number from left to right, and the mean can be estimated again using the median and the mode. So in pie charts, the mode is the data with the largest sector area, and the median is first you place all of the different sectors from smallest to greatest in area in order, and then you looked at their corresponding percentages. The average of the 50% data and the 51% data would be the median. And again, the mean can always be calculated using the weighted average. Class summary. Analyzing the central tendency from statistical charts. We learned how to do this through line charts, bar charts, and pie charts. The two skills we learned today is to able to obtain information from statistical graphs and find the mean, median, and mode of data sets. Understand and analyze the central tendency reflected in the mean, median, and mode. Thank you so much for watching through Inquisitive Kids. If you found this video helpful and you would like to support us, you can always hit the like button down below. If you want to stay tuned for the final video coming up of this unit, be sure to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button as well. Again, thank you so much for watching through Inquisitive Kids, and I'll see you next time.